So here from exemplar exercise 5.3 question number 12th. Exercise 5.3 from exemplar exercise 5.3 question number 12. Here page number 53. So question is split 207 into 3 parts such that these are in AP. 23 split 207 into 3 parts. These are in AP. So first we suppose that general 3 terms of an AP. So what is the general 3 term? If suppose 3 term in AP, then suppose A minus D, A and A plus D. So let 3 terms of AP, let 3 terms of an AP is A minus D, A and A plus D. These are the 3 terms. And given a split 207 into 3 parts. So these are the 3 part of 207. That is, their sum is 207. So therefore, according to question, A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 207. Here suppose 3 part of 207 which are in AP. Now simplify, D minus plus cancel. So A plus A plus A, 3A is equal to 207. Now divide by 3. So A is equal to 207 by 3. 3 6 ja, 2 3 9 ja. So A is equal to 69. This is the A, that is second term. And given and the product of 2 smaller part is 4 6 2 3. Product of 2 smaller part. Which one is smaller part? Suppose D is positive. Suppose D is positive. Then this 2 is a smaller part. And if D is a negative, here suppose D is positive. Starting with suppose where D greater 0. Suppose D is positive. So what is the 2 smaller part? A minus B, D and A. So here given the product of 2 smaller part is. So again by question, again according to question, 2 smaller part product A minus D into A is equal to 4 6 2 3. Now put value A. So A is 69 minus D into 69 is equal to 4 6 2 3. Now find D and put the value A and D both here and required the part of 207. इसके आगे कर लोगे, यहाँ से D फाइंड कर लेंगे और D फाइंड करके यहाँ पे पुट कर देंगे. So these are the 3 part of 207. कर लेंगे इतना. Okay. Next, here find D. Find D. Now question number 13. Question number 13. 13 is the angles of a triangle are in AP. So how many angles of a triangle? 3 angles and given AP. So suppose 3 angles same as A minus D, A and A plus D. Let 3 angles of a triangle are A minus D, A and A plus D. Suppose 3 part or 3 terms of an AP, then we suppose A minus D, A and A plus D. So these are the angles of a triangle, and we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Since sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree, so therefore A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 180. Here plus minus D cancelled. Now simplify. So 3A is equal to 180. So A is equal to 60. This is the value of A. Now also given the greatest angle is twice the least. The greatest angle. So what is the greatest angle? A plus D is the greatest angle, where D positive. A plus D is the greatest angle. So greatest angle is twice the least. What is the least angle? A minus D. So according to question, greatest angle, that is A plus D, is twice the least angle. What is least angle? A minus D. Put the value of A. So A equal to 60 plus D is equal to 2 into 60 minus D. Bracket open and find D. So 60 plus D is equal to 120 minus 2D. This 2D taking left side. So D plus 2D, 60 taking right side. Then 120 minus 60 is equal to 60. This is the value of 3D. So D is equal to 20. AD and find. So question is find all the angles of a triangle. Therefore angles of a triangles. Therefore angles of a triangle are, put here A minus D, what is A? 60 and D 20. So 60 minus 20, that is 40. A 60 and 60 plus 20, that is 80. So this is the angles of a triangle. Now question number 18. Question number 18. So read the question. What is question number 18? Question number 18. 18 is how many numbers lie between 10 and 300? How many numbers lie between 10 and 300, which when divided by 4 leaves a remainder 3? How many numbers between 10 and 300, which when divided by 4 then leaves remainder 3? So number from 10 to 300 is a 2-digit number or 3-digit number, and question is when divided by 4 then gives remainder 3. So first check that when divided by 10, divided 10 by 4, then what is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. So when divide 11 by 4, when divide 11 by 4, 4 2 8, remainder is 3. So first number are, so numbers are first number is 11 and next number 12, no, that is add 4. So next number is 15. When 15 is divided by 4, then remainder is 3. Next number 15 plus 4, 19. 19 divided by 4, then remainder gives 3, and so on. What is the last number? Check that. Last number is 300. So when 300 divided by 4, then check that what is the remainder? 4 7 ja 28 and 4 5 ja. So 300 cancel. Remainder gives 3 when divided by 4. So 200, 1 less minus. इसमें से 1 माइनस कर दें. That is 299. When 299 divided by 4, 4 7 ja 28, 1 4 4 ja 16. Remainder is 3. So what is the last number? 299. When 299 is divided by 4, then remainder is 3. So last number is 299. And question is, how many numbers? That is, find total numbers. So which are AP? Which is AP, and here A is equal to what? 11, and D is equal to second term minus first term, that is 4, and what is the last term? L is equal to 299. Last term 299, or last term means nth term. So n is equal to 299, and put value n. N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 299. Put value A is 11, n minus 1 into D, what is D? 4 is equal to 299. This term taking right side. So n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 299 minus 11. So subtract 288. This is the value of n minus 1 into 4. Now divided by 4, this 4 taking right side. So n minus 1 is equal to 288 by 4. Cut 4 7 ja 28, 4 2 ja 8. So n is equal to 72 plus 1, that is 73. So total number is 73. This is question number 18. Now question number 19. Question number 19. Is find the sum of two middlemost term. And AP given minus 4 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 and so on, 4 whole 1 by 3. Question is find, question number 19, find the sum of two middlemost term. So first find what are the middlemost term, two middlemost term. For this, first you have to find that how many total number of terms, that is first find n. So this is given AP. So what is A? Here A is equal to minus 4 by 3 and D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is minus 1 minus first term. First term is minus 4 by 3. Now simplify. So minus 1 minus minus plus 4 by 3, taking LCM. So minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 by 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So this is the common difference. And this one is the last term. So here n is equal to what? 4 whole 1 by 3. Use formula. Now find n. That is first find total number of terms. So n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13/3. Put value A is equal to -4/3, n minus 1 into D. What is D? 1/3 is equal to 13/3. Now this term taking right side, or 3 cancel. This all 3 cancelled. So this imply -4 plus n minus 1 is equal to 13. All denominator 3 cancelled. This 4 taking right side. So n minus 1 is equal to 13 plus 4. So n is equal to 17 plus 1, that is 18. So here total number of terms is equal to 18. So how many middle terms? 1 or 2? There are 2 middle terms because n is a even number, which is even. Therefore first middle term is equal to, what is the formula of middle term? If number of term is even, याद है formula? Suppose term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 term, then what is the middle term? Here third and fourth is middle term. This is the first middle term, this is the second middle term. So first middle term is 3, that is 6/2, that is n/2. So first middle term is equal to n/2th term, that is 18/2th term, that is 9th term. This is 9th term. First middle term is 9th term. Now find second middle term, or find the value also it. 9 term means A plus 8D, or put the value. What is A? -4/3 plus 8 into D. What is D? D 1/3. So 3 is LCM, that is -4 plus 8, so becomes 5/3. So this is the first middle term. Now find second middle term. So what is the formula of second middle term? What is formula of second middle term? Second middle term is n/2 plus 1th term, n/2 plus 1th term. And what is n? N is equal to 18. So 18/2 plus 1th term, that is 9 plus 1, that is 10th term, and 10th term, that is A plus 9D. What is A? A is equal to -4/3 plus 9, the value of D is 1/3. So what is the LCM? LCM is 3, then -4 plus 9, that is again 5/3. Here this is mistake. This one mistake is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So first middle term is 4/3. Next is 5/3. This is the second middle term. Now find its sum. Therefore its sum is equal to, so what is first middle term? 4/3, and second middle term 5/3. Taking LCM 3, 4 plus 5, that is 9/3, that is 3. So sum of its two middle term is 3. So this is the question. So 19th completed. आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करोगे, एग्जाम्पल से आप ट्राई करोगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, and I will discuss next day. Okay.